Ever notice how they always come back after you walk away? It's not a coincidence. It happens because you gave them distance, and that space does something powerful. Let's break down 5 reasons why this happens, guided by the timeless wisdom of Stoicism. 1. Detachment is power. One of the core lessons of Stoicism is the art of detachment. When you step back, you signal that you're independent, self-sufficient, and no longer chasing validation. This quiet confidence is magnetic. It draws people back because they sense your strength and self-control. Detachment isn't weakness, it's power. 2. Boundaries command respect. By walking away, you establish boundaries. Stoicism reminds us to respect ourselves first, and when you do, others have no choice but to follow suit. Boundaries force people to reassess how they treat you. Your decision to step back makes them see your worth in a way they might have overlooked before. 3. Absence sparks reflection. Your absence creates a void, and in that space, people reflect. Without you, they finally recognize what they've lost. It's often only in your absence that the true value of your presence becomes clear. 4. Growth becomes irresistible. While they've been watching from afar, you've been working on yourself, and it shows. Whether it's emotional, physical, or personal growth, they can't ignore your progress. That growth draws them in. They're curious about the person you've become and wonder if they can be part of your journey again. 5. Mystery fuels curiosity. Distance creates mystery. When you're not constantly available, they start wondering, what are you doing? Who are you spending time with? What's changed? That curiosity is like a magnet, pulling them back into your orbit. Final thoughts. Walking away isn't about manipulation, it's about valuing yourself. By embracing detachment, setting boundaries, and focusing on your growth, you naturally shift the dynamic in your favor. Which of these reasons resonates with you the most? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if you're ready to level up your mindset, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this message with someone who needs it. Until next time, keep walking your path with strength and purpose.